you think of the language as just kind of a static tool that you're using, and it's not. It's growing, and there are people that are researching it. It's really important to get out of the office and be exposed to those people and how they're making changes to the very tools that we use.
So I hope this little gadget works. So just a short, funny story. As the title says, so back in the day, long, long ago, when ChatGPT was still new news, probably around early 2023, you can remember at the time everyone's idea of a fun time was to try all sorts of challenges to see what this new toy is up to. So I tried it myself. I asked it to teach me how I can calculate square root with simple mathematics. People used to know how to do this kind of thing. So it gave me an explanation. I'm not a mathematician. Makes some sense. So I asked it to demonstrate it. So, okay, let's find the square root of 36. How do we do that? We divide 36 by 6. The largest number that will go into it evenly to get 6. Okay, then we divide 6 by 2 to get 3. Lastly, we can divide 3 by 3. Okay. Are you keeping up? Okay. Therefore, the square root of 36 is 3. Okay. So, wait a minute. What? What's that? This. Okay. Okay. Now we're playing. So, if that is the case, then what is the square root of 36? Well, it's 3. I just told you. So then what's 3 squared? It's 9, of course. Well, of course it is. So does that mean 3 is the square root of 9? Yeah. And also the square root of 36. Yes, I just told you it's the square root of both 9 and 36. Yeah. So, okay, so that means two numbers can share the same square root, right? Well, yes, of course. You can see the obvious example. 4 and 6 have the same square root of 2. Didn't you know that? So does that mean 2 squared has 2 different results? No, I mean, it always has the same result of 4, regardless of what other numbers share the same square root. That is probably where I gave up. I guess that's unreproducible nowadays. Thank you.